Hi everyone and a very good morning. So today we are going on our second trip, which is to Kevadia, Statue of Unity, and it's 8 o'clock. We have our train at 9:18, which will take us to Ekta Nagar, which is I guess it's 4 kilometers away from the Statue of Unity main area. So we already have our pre-booking and done, and they also require a hard copy print. So yes, we all have it. So I think it will be a smoother journey, and Vaishnavi will give us detailed information because she has done with all the research and ticketing. So let's just ask her. Vaishnavi,
Hi.
so I want you to give information to all the like future visitors or whoever are interested in knowing कि कसा tickets वगैरह book केले and stuff.
There is a site called SOU Tickets,
Huh.
Statue of Unity Tickets.in something.
Hmm.
From that we can book like various tickets like SOU entry ticket or SOU view gallery ticket, which will take to the chest level of the statue, and it will show the view of dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam.
Okay.
So there are various tickets
Options,
facilities are there. So we can book from there,
Okay.
and it costed around something 385 rupees for entry ticket plus viewing gallery. It includes also the some garden is there, flowers, Valley of Flowers
Yes.
garden.
Okay.
And
Laser show.
viewpoint.
Yes, laser.
And also laser show.
Okay. Thank you. So we have reached Ekta Nagar. The free bus service. It's Garmi, but okay, I shouldn't have started that way. We have reached Statue of Unity and it's very, 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 very gigantic. It's majestic and it's very beautiful. And you're going to see it from the till the chest angle. So I can share a bit detailed video because cameras are allowed here. So first we're going to submit our saman at the locker room. And then we'll go ahead. We have 12 to 2 slot. Deposited the bag and now we are on our way to the statue. And the girls are ready to like fruits. What are you eating?
Melon and this star something. What do you call it? Star fruit.
Okay. And Kajal too? Okay, she's eating watermelon.
Watermelon.
There's the ticket counter. We didn't have to like wait for the ticket thing because we already have it done online. So I suggest you all to check out the website so that आपको भी जल्दी से entry मिल जाए. You don't have to wait for the tickets to get done, and also carry hard copy of the PDF you get. This is the Ekta Shilpa. Quick thing which I have to share with you all. Yesterday we had like a very hectic day because we were walking all the time, like for the palace and for the museum and lake, cafe, everything. So we were very worried that tomorrow it's going to be double hectic because we have to walk so much. But I swear Statue of Unity has travelator, escalators. It has amazing bus services everywhere. The traveling has become so easy and the entire trip has become so smooth, and I definitely suggest you all to come visit here. It's a wonderful experience. So now we were on our way to the viewing galleries, that is till the chest area of the statue, and we also saw different information kiosks giving information about the statue and about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and there his life. Time for the viewing gallery. So this is the panoramic view that you get to see from the viewing gallery. It's of Sardar Sarovar Dam and of Narmada River. It was summer, so it was quite barren, but we expect that during monsoon and winter it will be more pretty. this is what it looks from inside such. So we headed back to the ground floor. There are different sections which are dedicated for particular themes. Childhood of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, his work, and overall it's an interactive space, I must say. There are different games provided as well to give you more information. For example, the Unification of India game, which I played, which is basically about princely states which were merged into India and the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in that process. Then we pledged. So myself, then Kajal, Vaishnavi, three of us, we pledged here, and it feels good to see our name on the board, right? So one thing which I clearly want to mention about this entire space is the cleanliness that is maintained, and the second has to be the washrooms, which are at where close locations around the space where you roam, and water availability. There's normal and cold water, and it's very clean and it is maintained in a proper way. And this is the space dedicated to animals, and as a veterinarian I am always drawn towards such things, so I explored it. And there are interactive games which are specially for children, but kind of we enjoyed it too. So overall the experience was 11 on 10, I must say. We clicked great pictures. So this is a theater. There are documentaries which are played, and you can just sit here. The space is very beautiful. We enjoyed watching one of the documentaries which was being played. It was about Sardar Sarovar Dam. So then we started exploring the area around the statue. There are travelators and escalators, so your exploration is quite smooth, and the beautiful Narmada river, which I absolutely love. This, along with Amul Premium Buttermilk. Buttermilk is 11 on 10. It's fab, and this thali, it looks good. I hope it tastes good, but the food is very mehanga here. It's almost the sunset time, and we have a laser show now. This is how the Statue of Unity looks right after sunset, twilight time. Beautiful moon. Waiting for the laser show. Vaishnavi, how was your day? Okay. So our other travel mate is busy. She's buying coffee for herself to keep her awake because we have a long day yet. We are yet to travel back to Vadodara. So the laser show is about to begin now, and I'll share videos with you. Small videos, not full. In case you visit, you shouldn't get bored watching it again. But we enjoyed it. एक साथ मिलकर एक ऐसा नया भारत बना सके जहां पूर्ण स्वराज के साथ सारे समाज को गरीबी, अशिक्षा, छुआछूत से भी आजादी मिल जाए। इसकी पहली रणनीति थी भारत को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आजादी, ताकि भारत के लोगों की अपनी सरकार सबके साथ और सबके विकास के लिए काम कर सके। स्वतंत्रता के स्वप्न के सच होने के साथ अब सरदार पर कई एक नई विशाल एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत बनाकर दिखाई comes to an end. Kajal, how was your trip? How was the experience?
It was worth it. Like 2 दिन का CL लेके यहाँ पे आना है, like जो दिन हमने यहाँ पे आज बिताया है, like
yes, and
totally worth it.
Vaishnavi, how was your experience?
खूप छान, म्हणजे मेस्मरायझिंग होतं, आणि जो लेझर शो होता तो तर हॅट्स ऑफ.
Usual, we run. Trip comes to an end.
Guys, अरे चश्मा लगा. अरे चश्मा लगा. अरे बेवकूफो, मुझे चश्मा लगा.
So this is going to be the last video of our internship travel extravaganza, and I would like to extend a big thank you to my travel mates slash intern mates slash roommates Vaishnavi and Kajal for being so much fun and adding so much happiness to not just this vlogs but also to our trips. Looking forward to our next trips soon. Till then, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.